Another lead is ghosting you? Aren't you tired of doing your follow-ups and not have result, talking to unqualified buyers and unmotivated sellers? You see, the brutal truth, most agents will waste 80% of the time this year chasing dead-end leads. Now, what if you could flip the script? What if you could have 20 leads come to you every month, reaching out to you, ready to buy or sell, interested in doing business with you? Hello everyone, my name is Vanda and I teach high-performing real estate agents how to put together a lead generation machine. And now I want to show you how to do the same. So do this. Join me for my free workshop this Thursday, January 30th, 11 a.m. on Zoom, a beautiful masterclass where I'm going to show you how to mine the gold, the diamonds from your database CRM, how to use farming techniques that really work, how to use your social media to generate lots of leads and be smart, strategic with your online leads. Sign up here right now. Don't miss it, because it's time for you to take control of your business, your life, get great leads, and kick ass. Sign up here right now. I'll see you there on Zoom. It's going to be amazing.